Most commonly used syrup. Syrup for antibiotic. Cefim 3. Generic name cefixime trihydrate. G3. Generic name azithromycin dihydrate. Cefim 3. Generic name cefixime trihydrate. Use RTI, UTI, after surgery. Side effect dyspepsia, vomiting, flatulence. G3. Generic name azithromycin dihydrate. Use pneumonia, skin and soft tissue infection, sexual transmitted disease. Side effect rash, nausea, diarrhea. Syrup for vitamin. Juviar Gold. Generic name multivitamin and multimineral. Zinc B. Generic name vitamin B complex plus zinc. Juviar Gold. Generic name multivitamin and multimineral. Use injuries or wound, excess dieting, infection, illness. Side effect nausea, diarrhea, dry mouth. Zinc B. Generic name vitamin B complex plus zinc. Use dislike to food, sure inside the mouth. Wound healing. Side effect nausea, vomiting, diarrhea. Syrup for antipyretic. Fast. Generic name paracetamol. Flamex. Generic name ibuprofen. Fast. Generic name paracetamol. Use fever, headache, back pain, muscle pain. Side effect rash, nausea, vomiting. Flamex. Generic name ibuprofen. Use pain, fever, muscle pain, back pain. Side effect heartburn, vomiting, stomach upset. Syrup for anti-allergic. Exodin. Generic name fexofenadine hydrochloride. Acetine. Generic name cetirizine hydrochloride. Exodin. Generic name fexofenadine hydrochloride. Use allergy, sneezing, itching, rashes. Side effect headache, dizziness, pruritus. Acetine. Generic name cetirizine hydrochloride. Use itching eye, sneezing, allergy. Side effect vomiting, abdominal pain, dry mouth. Syrup for common cold. L-Sur. Generic name levosalbutamol. Ambrox. Generic name ambroxol hydrochloride. L-Slur. Generic name levosalbutamol. Use cold, influenza, cyanosis, fever. Side effect palpitation, diarrhea, vomiting. Ambrox. Generic name ambroxol hydrochloride. Use cough, sinusitis, pneumonia, bronchitis. Side effect allergic, urticaria, epigastric pain. Syrup for antiemetic. Imistate. Generic name Undanceton. Omidon. Generic name Domperidone maleate. Imistate. Generic name Undanceteron. Use nausea, vomiting, flatulence, heartburn. Side effect headache, constipation, diarrhea. Omidon. Generic name Domperidone maleate. Use heartburn, flatulence, ulcer, dyspepsia, nausea and vomiting. Side effect rash, allergic, urticaria. Thank you. Please subscribe.